OnePlus is reportedly working on its second tablet for the Indian market known as OnePlus Pad Go. Earlier this year, the brand announced the Dimensity 9000 powered OnePlus Pad with a price tag of 36,999 Indian rupees. The landing page is now live on Flipkart. The listing confirmed that tablet will be unveiled in October. The OnePlus Pad Go microsite is available on Flipkart has confirmed the design. It confirms it will continue to reveal key features of the tablet until October 4th. It appears that the tablet will go official in the first week of October or October 5th. The official render shows its design is very similar to the OnePlus Pad. The rear shell ports a dual-tone design, a single camera and a OnePlus logo. OnePlus Pad Go will be a affordable offering. OnePlus President Kinder revealed that OnePlus Pad Go's display will support 2K resolution at 7:5 aspect ratio. It's expected to run upstage in OS 13. The tablet will come with content sync feature for easy clipboard and file sharing between OnePlus smartphone and tablet. There will be a shared hotspot for data sharing, screen mirroring, notification syncing, call management, aiming to enhance cross-device integration between OnePlus tablets and OnePlus smartphones. The OnePlus Pad was released as Oppo Pad 2 in China. It's however that the Pad Go may break the cover with the Oppo Pad Air 2 name in the Chinese market.